everyone, I'm Neeti from Tech Classes, and yes, today we are going to start the new chapter of Artificial Intelligence for Class 10, that is Data Science. We will cover just the theory part of this chapter in this playlist, and for practical portion, we will create a separate playlist. In this chapter, we will cover the basics of data science, its applications, and we shall also discuss a scenario question. And in today's video, we will cover the basics of data science. In this, we will learn about data, data science, data collection, its sources, its type, and how do we access data in Python. So, without any further ado, let's start the video. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support motivates us to create good content. Just think, when do a machine become intelligent? Well, it becomes intelligent when it gets training from data, right? So for that training purpose, we provide a lot of data to the machine. We provide data as per the format the system requires, whether it be images, text, numerical figures, sounds, or any other kind of data. And now, depending on the kind of data we provide, AI is categorized into three different domains: data science, computer vision, and natural language processing. Now, let's first understand what data science is. And for that, we need to understand what data is. Data is a collection of raw facts and figures. It can be numerical, text, images, sounds, videos, or anything. And the collection of data is called dataset. You must have observed many areas where data collection is required. Like in banks, data is collected to know the customer, employees registration, bank registration. In ATM machines, to know the visitors, to know the cash denominations. In movie theaters, to know the movie details or to know information about tickets sold, right? So, data science is a domain of study that deals with vast volume of data using modern tools and techniques to find unseen patterns, derive meaningful information, and to make business decisions. Data science uses complex machine learning algorithms to build predictive models. Or we can say that data science is a concept to unify statistics, data analysis, machine learning, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with data. It employs techniques and theories drawn from many fields within the context of mathematics, statistics, computer science, and information science. Let's take an example of a pizza shop. The shop's management noticed that although they sell almost 150 pizzas on any normal day, but on weekends or on any other holiday, they sell nearly double. Suppose if Christmas is coming up, means they might prepare 2 or 3 times as many pizzas as usual. See how businesses analyze the past data to predict and to make decisions, and this is called data science. One more example of data science is price comparison websites like Paisa Bazaar, Policy Bazaar, Price Grabbers, Jungly, right? To understand the concept of data science, there is a very interesting example given in CBSE AI handouts. It's about the game Rock, Paper and Scissors. We have added a link of this game in the description box below. In this game, the system collects data of your moves and tries to understand the pattern of your moves, and after some time it starts predicting your next move. So it becomes very difficult for us to beat the system in this game. Now let's understand the concept of data collection. Data collection is actually not a very new concept in our society. Even when people did not have fair knowledge of calculations, records were still maintained in some way or the other to keep an account of relevant things. Ishango Bone is one of the ancient evidence of data collection. Data collection is a process of collecting and evaluating information or data from multiple sources to find answers to research problems, answer questions, evaluate outcomes, and forecast trends and probabilities. It is an essential phase in all types of research, analysis, and decision making, including that done in the social sciences, business, or healthcare. Accurate data collection is necessary to make informed business decisions, ensure quality assurance, and keep research integrity. During data collection, the researchers must identify the data types, the source of data, and what methods are being used. There is a heavy reliance on data collection in research, commercial, and government fields. Data collection is actually not a very difficult task, but it is very difficult for a human being to analyze and understand such a huge volume of data. That is where data science comes into picture. It not only gives us a clearer idea about dataset, but also adds value to it by providing deeper and clearer analysis around it. And as AI gets incorporated in this process, predictions and suggestions by the machine becomes possible on the same. There can be two types of sources from where we can collect data: online sources and offline sources. Offline sources can be like sensors, surveys, interviews, observations, and online sources can be like open source government portals, reliable websites, or open source statistical websites. And while collecting the data, we should be very careful that we should use only the data which is available for public usage. Personal data set should only be used with the consent of the owner. One should never breach someone's privacy to collect data. Data should only be taken from reliable sources, as data collected from random sources can be wrong or unusable. Reliable sources of data ensures the authenticity of data, which helps in proper training of the AI model. Mostly, data is collected in tabular form, and these tabular data set can be stored in different formats. Some of the very commonly used formats are CSV files or spreadsheets or SQL. CSV stands for comma separated values, where each line of the file represents a record, and in these records, data values are separated by commas. Spreadsheet is a very common tool of organizing data in rows and columns. We generally use Microsoft Excel for this purpose. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to manage data in different kinds of DBMS systems. Now let's discuss how we can access this data in a Python program. And for accessing this data in a Python program, we use Python packages. The packages are NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. NumPy stands for Numerical Python, which is a fundamental package for mathematical and logical operations on arrays in Python. Then Pandas stands for Panel Data System. It is a Python library written for the Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. Then comes Matplotlib, which is used for visualization of data. We can create amazing 2D graphs by using Matplotlib. So that was all about basics of data science. In our next video, we will go through some of the applications of data science. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.